Hello students. Due to this COVID pandemic, as the entire session is online, we are unable to conduct your practical sessions. But anyhow, um, from henceforth we will start this practical again online basis. We will here perform the experiment and show you, demonstrate you these experiments online, and you have to make its records and submit at the time of examinations. So friends, we will start our practical of semester 5 that entitled as plant physiology and plant ecology. As such, the title suggests that plant physiology and plant ecology, your half of the portion of the practical is covered with the experiments of plant physiology. Again, they are classified as major experiments and minor experiments. And similar in case of the plant ecology, there are few experiments as major experiments and few are minor experiments. So we will see all these, at least some of these, as far as your practical demonstration point of view, and whatever the feasibility is there, and instrumentation is available in our laboratory. We will start this session from today itself. Myself, Dr. Deepak Kuche, and today I am demonstrating the first experiment of your major plant physiology list, that is demonstration of effect of temperature and organic solvents on plasma membrane. Again, listen carefully. Demonstration of effect of temperature and organic solvent on plasma membrane. This is your title. Okay, and first of all, we will see what is the theory or what is the principle behind this. Basically, as you all know that all cellular organisms, they are made up of cells, and each cell has one limiting membrane which is called as the plasma membrane. In case of the animal cell, it is the outer membrane, but in case of the plant cell, it is the second outer membrane. That is, outermost is the cell membrane, cell wall, and after that there is cell membrane or the plasma membrane. So this plasma membrane is composed of mostly proteins and lipids. Okay, these are the biomolecules. Proteins and lipids, they are the biomolecules, and they are sensitive to high temperature as well as some organic solvents. So that you have to demonstrate, that you have to show how these high temperature as well as the organic solvents, they are affecting the properties of plasma membrane using this particular experiment. Okay, so as this experiment is given to you, the title is the effect of demonstrate the effect of temperature and organic solvent on plasma membrane. It requires 4 beakers. Here I had taken the 4 beakers. Okay, I have labeled these beakers as tap water, then hot water to show the effect of high temperature, then alcohol and petroleum ether, both to show the effect of organic solvent. Okay, so when you take these beakers, clean it properly, and then take the respective solvent. After labeling, label it as I had given the label: tap water, hot water, alcohol and petroleum ether. Okay, now after that you have to pour around 20 ml of respective solvent. Here tap water, here hot water, here alcohol or ethanol, and here petroleum ether. Okay, then you have to take the petals of any flowering plant. Particularly it should be bright so that your results should be clear. Okay, then take the petals of these particular flowers 3 to 4 petals in each of the beaker. Okay, likewise. And then stir it gently. Okay, you have to stir each beaker or shake each beaker gently. Likewise, so that your flowers get immersed inside the solvent, respective solvent. Okay, and this process you have to follow sequentially or randomly for about half an hour or more than that. Okay, now what will happen, whatever the effect of the solvent is there, it will give its respective result. Okay, as I had told you that the plasma membrane is composed of lipids and proteins. They are the biomolecules and they are sensitive to temperature, high temperature, as well as organic solvent. So when after half an hour or after more than 40 or 50 minutes, you will found that in case of the hot water and alcohol as well as in petroleum ether, the petals start to decolorize. Now what exactly happens in this particular case? Petals start to decolorize. It means these conditions, that means the presence of organic solvent as well as high temperature, they are affecting the properties, structure as well as the properties of plasma membrane. Okay, and that's why those petals those petals will lose their color. Okay, and color, where the color is there, colors are generally bound to the plastids. Okay, now when these plastids get burst open, sometimes those bursting leads to the um, decolorization of that particular petal, and that particular solvent get the similar color. Okay, how it happens, that will see. So this is the initial stage. You have to keep this this particular state as it is for about 30 minutes or more than that. Sometimes it will take around one hour also. So it will have its own effect own effect that we will see one by one. So after 30 minutes or more than that, you will find that this is the beaker which is containing tap water. Okay, and you can see that here there is no decolorization of petals is there, and no color is appearing in the solvent. Okay, so this is the first one. Second one we will see, this is of hot water. Okay, in hot water we have kept these petals. You generally observe that this colors of the petal is starting disappearing. Okay, okay, so orange yellow color is started disappearing, and this color is mixing in the solvent or the hot water. Okay, now this is basically the alcohol or ethanol, you can say. Now here these petals get completely decolorized. Okay, you can say here all the petals they get decolorized, and the color of the petals is now mixed with the solvent ethanol. Now the color of this particular ethanol gets changed. Now you can say here this is alcohol initial. Okay, after half an hour you will get this color. Okay, so this is the effect of organic solvent. Now here you can say another one. Same is the case of petroleum ether. Of course the intensity is a little bit lesser is the intensity than the alcohol, but here is again the petals have started to decolorize, okay, and the color is appearing in the solvent. Okay, so this is the basic effect, how it is shown. Now you can see here one by one. This is tap water, this is hot water, the petals are started decolorizing. This is completely decolorized in case of the alcohol. Here the intensity is less, but again you can say that the petals are started to decolorize, and the color is appearing in the solvent. So these things are there. Now how you after performance, how you will write these particular things in your record book. So first of all, you have to, on writing page, you have to write the aims of that particular experiment. Okay, what is the aim? To demonstrate the effect of temperature and organic solvent on plasma membrane. That is the aim. Then you have to write down the requirement. Okay, what is the requirement? Now you had seen you require 4 beakers. Okay, then you require tap water, you require hot water, you require ethanol, you require petroleum ether, then again you require the petals, colored petals. Okay, where the chromophores are there. Okay, so sir, usually you have to take the intense colors so that you will get the proper result. Okay, these are the requirements for your experiment. And then the procedure, what I had shown you, it is the procedure. Take 4 beakers, label it properly, then take around 20 ml of each solvent, that means tap water, hot water, alcohol and petroleum ether. Okay, then add few petals in each of the beaker. Okay, stir it and kept as it is for about 30 to 40 minutes. Okay, you may stir in between also, but around 30 to 40 minutes you have to keep as it is, and then observe the color change in case of the petals as well as in case of the solvent. Okay, now on the drawing page you have to take this. You might have some problems. Aims, then requirement you have to write down, then procedure you have to write down, then observation. Now in observation I will detail it, what exactly you have to take into account. The first one is the serial number. Okay, then in the second one, what exactly is the reaction? Here in the first one, what we have taken? Tap water plus petal. Here hot water plus petal. Here petal plus alcohol, and here petal plus petroleum ether. Now after that, the next one, the third column is effect on petal color. So what you have to write it down? Petal color is as it is in first case. In second case, petals started to decolorize. Here petal completely decolorize. Here again petals completely decolorize. Okay, in the third one, here it is given change in solvent color. Now here in first case, as you had taken only tap water plus petals, there is no such reaction and therefore no change in solvent color. Here in case of hot water, the solvent color is just start to become intense. Okay, that means जो भी कलर रहेगा उस पर्टिकुलर पेटल्स का वो उस सॉल्वेंट में आना शुरू हो गया है. So intensity is very less, you can say around 20%, not more than that. Okay, in this particular case of alcohol, the solvent color is very intense. In case of, now if you consider this as 100%, then in case of this petroleum ether, it is the petals are completely decolorized, around 90% decolorized, and you can say the intensity of this color solvent, it is again around 80 to 90%. So you can have this observation. Okay, then this is, you have to write an observation table and results as it is, what exactly happens with the first beaker, in second beaker, third beaker and fourth beaker. Okay, now the last one I had given the inference. Okay, now in inference what you have to write it down. You had seen this particular effect. This is the biological effect or the effect of this organic solvent and high temperature or the hot water on the biomolecules, basically the lipid and proteins which are structurally forming the plasma membrane. So on plasma membrane, how they affect. So you just put up that in inference that biological material is sensitive to high temperature as well as organic solvent. First, okay, when the temperature is increased or when we add certain organic solvent, it affects the integrity, that is structural integrity as well as the function of that particular plasma membrane adversely, and it get breakdown, and due to that whatever the colors are there in the plastids, they get released into the solvent and solvent takes the color. Okay, so likewise you have to write it down starting with the aims and objective, requirement, procedure, then observation table, results and inference. You can draw such diagram of one particular beaker having tap water plus petals, then the second one having hot water plus petals, and the third one having petals plus petals in the alcohol, in the fourth one petals in the petroleum ether. So you have to give the label to that particular beakers. Okay, and then you can write it down, the color changes itself on that particular diagram also. Okay, so it will become very easier to identify which type of changes are found in this particular experiment. So this is the first experiment, major experiment from your syllabus. In the next video I will post you the next experiment, and again we will post the writing matter, what you have to write it down in your practical books, that we will post on your Google Classroom, and that you have to make records. Okay. So thank you very much. We will meet you again very soon.